Okay, in this video, we will see Tinkercad, one of the applications, okay, using Arduino board that is on street lights. How to make automatic street light on when there is darkness. Okay, that means the main aim of this project is so whenever there is no when it is becoming dark, that is automatically the street light. Okay, okay, we need with sensor which should sense our uh, light. Okay, so this is one photo by this photo system. Okay, so this will sense your light. Okay, so if it is below some threshold, okay, the lights will become on. And if it is exceeding, that means whenever light is becoming more and more brighter, okay, the street lights will become automatically off. Okay, that is the main. So we have connected this to ground. Okay, and other end of the sensor, this is 5 volts. Okay, it is connected, and this is connected, one end of this is connected to ground, and same this again is connected to the analog input of the Arduino board. I have connected to A5. Okay, so this is the connection of this photo resistor. Okay, so this will sense and will read the analog value from this port A5. Okay, and that if it is crossing some threshold, that it converts the photoresistance, it gives a voltage. That voltage is converted by the ADC inside the mm, uh, Arduino processor, then you'll get the digital data. Okay, so that digital data we are loading, and that if it is that level it exceeding some this thing, you will be switching on the lights. So these are our street lights. Okay, I've taken 6. So how do you see the connection? One end of this is always given to supply, because this all one end you have to give to supply. The other end of this is connected via this transistor to the NB. That means we are controlling this by this switch. Okay, so this switch will become on by this green, which is connected to 3. Okay, so this will act like a switch to this. Okay, so this is just grounded, and this is all the yeah, these connections are given to this. Okay, so here we are depending on how we make this on and off, this will be controlled. Okay, so this is about the hardware. Now we'll see the code. So LDR, that is light dependent resistor, okay, which is called photoresistor, is connected to A5. So this one A5. So that's why we wrote LDR A5. And the value that is coming out of this A5, that is declared as LDR value. Okay, variable is declared as LDR. Then we have taken light at 3 because this bulbs. Okay, so this control signal which is coming to the base of the transistor, that is 3. Okay, we have put here. Then to void initially, void in void setup we have to declare the modes. So pin mode light is output, because this is output port, this port. Okay, similarly mode LDR, LDR means this A5, A5 also is input port. This we have declared as analog input. Okay, next this is the main loop. So void loop LDR value equals to analog input, that means we are reading this analog value, okay, from the which port LDR, that is A5 port, and that we are storing in LDR. So if this LDR value is greater than 500, then you that means light should become low. If it is greater than, it is less, greater than 5, it is true, else you have to make the lights on. Okay, so this is the program. Then just say start stimulation. Okay, so When you start stimulation, first initially, okay, so see all the lights. So this is your sensor. Since all lights are on because voltage it is taking time. So all the LEDs are on starting because it is dark. This one photoresistant is giving less voltage. Suppose you increase this sensor value, so lights will become automatically off. So see here, they are becoming off. Okay, so lights are off. The stimulator is slow. Okay, so that's why it is taking time. So lights became on. So the if it is this is threshold, so lights became on. Okay, so we have set a limit. You can set how much ever darkness whenever you want you can do. Okay, that's all in this video. This is about the street lights. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll come up with more applications on Arduino board. Thank you for watching.